wagon, only one of 4 left in the world. Looks like it says, "My Mother May." I don't know who's speaking, but the driver, who's the driver here? Do you have that information? Bellevue. He says, "My Mother May, purchased in 1929 from Creator Inc. in Chicago. It was shipped to the state of Maine. His mother ran this at the fairs and auto races from 29 to 80. The Model A popcorn wagon was fully restored in 1990 and operates under the power of the original steam engine, which turns the peanut roaster and the popcorn popper." The Model A Restore magazine named the popcorn wagon #1 for 2010. And now they just use it for charity and parades.
And now we have Ballet Folklorica from the Napa Valley College. The beautiful Ballet Folklorica through the act of dancing. The Ballet Folklorica of the Napa Valley College has brought to life the spirit and culture of Mexico's rich and colorful past. Founded in the Napa Valley, the ballet has brought excitement and entertainment to the valley for a little over 14 years. The ballet is an artistic dance depiction of Mexico presented by dancers performing with pride and joy. The ballet's repertoire consists of various regions of Mexico such as Jalisco, Veracruz, Chihuahua, Nuevo León, Mérida, Yucatan, Michoacán. Although the ballet's repertoire is very similar to what other dance troupes perform, this ballet of Napa Valley College is unique. Beautiful costumes. Oh, look at their hair and those dresses. Gorgeous.
I mean, they are so young, and look at them doing this choreography. They look, it looks like the youngest one, probably about 5 years old. These dance classes are free to all college students, and their goal is to continue the rich traditions of Mexico in the Napa County community. Lilia Navarro.
Okay.
There she is. She's the director. She's the Napa Valley College Ballet Folklorico Club's president and director. And these kids are having a good time. They're really enjoying it. As are we. Wonderful job. Napa Valley College Ballet Folklorico. Very sweet.